This new release out. This is the SF0201 Max. Let's just call it Max for short. It gives you a little extra room for larger pistols. So you can get 2 large pistols in here, 3 compact pistols in here, 2 standard size pistols with some magazines. There is 4 ways to get into it. You can get into it with the key. You can get into it with the touchpad keypad. Put in your own code, set the code and get into it. Or you can get into it with the fingerprint ID reader. And the 4th way is you can get into it with your phone. You can use your Bluetooth, it connects through Bluetooth, and then you have a log of access, and you just hit the slider here, select which safe you're going to open, slide it open, and there you go, opens with your phone. So inside we have illumination to illuminate when it's a dark environment, it illuminates. We have what comes inside is a USB cable for jumping the box if your batteries were to go dead. We have a lanyard cable for connection. So you got your USB cable, lanyard cable, mounting screws. So the mounting screws, you could screw it directly into a hard surface. You can lock it with a cable to some immovable object. And if you can't get in because the batteries are dead, you can use either a jump box or a little power bank, or you can use the keys. It's very sturdy. It has very strong steel. It weighs about 13 pounds, plus or minus a little bit, and it is very accessible. For your first time opening, open it with the key. Install your batteries. Alright, so we're going to open this door inside here and put the batteries in the right orientation. So that is the battery location there behind that little door. 1, 2, 3, 4. Verify that you can hear the motor open. Now to set your code, you press the set button once, short press. You see the light blinking. We're going to do a code of 456. Hit the lock button. It blinked one time, confirm that it was set. Now let's try it. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now the code, you can hear it that it's set. You may not be able to hear that on the camera, but we will confirm it now. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now to set your fingerprint code, you would do the same thing. You would press the set button, quick press, put your fingerprint, put your fingerprint, put your fingerprint. So the first way to open this is with the key. The second way to open this is with the code. The third way to open this is with the fingerprint ID. The 4th way to open this is with your app on your phone. Hit the plus for add a device. It's searching. Now I think I took too long. Nope, there it is. It's a QGM_13 Apple. Select that, select the Apple. It's going to install, being added. It's going around adding right now. It says successful. It says done. Okay. Now we're going to slide the slider. And there you go. You can open it up with your phone app. Now if the battery ever went bad, you could use the key to open it, or if you preferred to use your code and you didn't have a key handy, you could power up the system with a battery bank, a power bank setup, or just plug it into a standard USB-C plug. So I only have some large size pistols to try in this safe. Let's see how they fit. So there is how they fit with the extra room in there. Pretty nice. Let's see if I can show you the app. I have the 2 pistol safe, so we have to select this one. This is the QGM_13 Apple. Touch on the slider. And it opens up just like that. Now you have a log here. Remote unlocking, remote unlocking. So this is the lanyard mount that comes in the kit. How it works is you just unwind it here, take off the thumb screw, put it around an object, just take it around something solid. In this case, it's a solid steel workbench handle. Put it into the case, twist it until it locks, and then put the thumb screw on the other side. It's just difficult doing it behind the camera there. There we go. And the thumb screw right here is screwed into the case. The other way you would mount it is take this foam out, and on the bottom there is two holes in the case in here.